Yes.
And we are live. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Business Insights. I'm super excited today because I have a special guest from all the way from UK. And uh, please welcome Miss Lisa Rodrigueza. And she's actually my friend who's a business partner as well, business accountability partner. And I'm your host today. I'm Melanie. I'm from the Philippines, and I work as a chemist, and um, we're doing this go live to let you know how it is in the online business. And so grab your favorite drink if you have one, and then let's enjoy and have this interview with Lisa. Okay, Lisa, tell us something about yourself.
Yes. Hello. Good afternoon. In my end, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon here in UK. And if there's any Bicolano, maray na daw po sa Induga Boss. So, my name is Lisa. I'm a nurse by profession. As I told you earlier, I'm from Daraga Albay, so Daragang Magayon. But currently living here now in United Kingdom for more than 23 years. So apart from being by profession, I'm also a digital business owner and a mentor.
Wow. Okay, sige. Sabihin mo nga sa atin, paano ka nakapunta ng London?
Yeah. I think lahat naman yata ng mga nurses, di ba? They are all dreams is to go to work abroad. So, yeah. But it took me a while as well to work abroad. I was already, mga 28 na ako nang una ako nakalabas ng Pilipinas. I worked first before in UAE. I worked there for 4 years. And then, alam mo na, yung mga kaibigan ko, lahat punta ng UK, papunta ng US.
London.
Ayokong London, ayokong maiwanan. So, but London was the as one. Walang masyadong straightforward application. So, here I am now in London. So here I'm
28,
20.
28 years. Wow, long time.
Long time. Been a while now.
And then, anong ginagawa mo as a nurse specifically?
Yeah, specifically. I work in cardiac, coronary care unit, so cardiac. Yeah, so, and then, but at the same time, I also do cath lab. So we do yung angiogram and then insertion of pacemaker. It's more of a diagnostic. We're not really the big hospital, but we do pacemaker and angiogram. And sometimes office staff or doing some pre-assessment. So
Angiogram is yung pag may
yes,
bumara sa puso. O,
yes.
malaki bayad doon.
No. That is one good thing with UK, I think, is that the health system, pumasok ka sa hospital, paglabas mo, wala kang isipin na gastos. But obviously, we paid with the taxes. Ang taxes naman namin, doon kami hinahatak. You get me? Doon naman yun.
Malaki talaga yung tax.
Oo.
Okay. So, isang nurse na been in the business for 28 years, di ba? Considerably mataas ang salary ng isang nurse, right?
Yes.
Tapos, you have a husband who's working too, and I believe mayaman tong si Lisa eh. Maraming paupahang apartment sa Pilipinas. Pero, di ba? How did you, what's a nurse like you doing in online business?
Okay.
And how did you find it muna pala?
Okay. Totoo naman, Mel, yung sinabi mo na ang sahod namin is stable, yung okay naman. Pero compared to other countries na mas mataas ang sahod nila. But anyway, obviously, dito, that is our salary. So, we go by that. And then, tama din yung sinabi mo na meron na rin kaming traditional o meron na kaming business sa Pilipinas. Pero sabi ko nga din, di ba yung sinasabi, Mel, na ang pera, pumapasok lang. Pag pumasok, lumalabas din, di ba?
Lumalabas?
So many,
Dumadaan lang?
Yes, oo. And we
Oh.
plan to retire in the Philippines. At ayokong magtrabaho kami ni Harry until age of 67. So alam ko na kahit pa nga may passive income na, that is still not enough. I think I mentioned one time when you go live with Fatima, why? Just because I want a stress-free, comfortable life.
Mhm.
And nakakapagod na, Mel. Working in the hospital for more than how many? 23 years. Nakakapagod na physically and mentally. Hindi na katulad noon. Hindi na talaga katulad noon na sige, kaya, banat, banat, banat. But I want to slow down. And I'm really looking na yung pwede ko lang magawa sa bahay, na no need for me to go out. Kasi di ba
Mhm.
pag maganda kung summer, okay lang. Pero pag malamig, yung gigising ka ng early morning, ang
Mhm.
lamig-lamig, tapos ano, sabi ko, I want something that I wanted to do different. So,
Mhm.
talaga ako, may mga certain points sa buhay ko na talagang that will trigger me to do something. And yun na nga, nung one time na ano, nagtatingin-tingin na ako matagal na. Meron ako ring kino-consider na another online, pero sabi ko, hindi ko yun forte, hindi ako magaling yung mag-formulate or something. So, I love it there. Pero there's one point na talagang busy-busy. Diyos ko, sabi ko, advice ko sa Diyos ko, ganito na lang ba lagi? And I saw one ad in social media.
Mhm.
Agad-agad, without hesitation, I registered my name and email address. And this is it. I'm here now.
So you become an online business
Mm,
mentor because
yeah,
of an ad that you saw
yes.
sa newsfeed mo sa Facebook?
Yes. I think
Okay.
yes. Facebook or maybe YouTube because there's so many like Facebook. I think it's more of YouTube. It's more of
Yeah.
YouTube that
You
I
see
want.
more of these kinds of ads in Facebook and YouTube, right?
Yes, yes. So
Yeah.
yeah, there's loads. So I was just really scrolling. Then I saw it caught my attention because my
Uh,
mentor, she's also a nurse. She's also a nurse. She also lives here in UK. I've seen loads. I've seen loads. But initially I was skeptical. Sige lang. Scroll, scroll, scroll.
mhm.
But I told you there come a moment, turning point that oh, she's a nurse. I just listen. I just listen. I listened to this one. I just watched the webinar, listened to her story, and
Mhm.
said, yes, I'm like that as well. Maybe even if I
Mhm.
have kids, but I could resonate being a nurse. How hard it is as well. You get it? So that's it. I
Mhm.
registered my name. I contact her. I ask a few more questions. I'm like this, and then yeah, I
Was
did due diligence. Mm.
um was there a hesitation on your part nung nakita mo yung ads? Like, were you not doubtful na baka, alam mo na, scam yan, ganun? Kasi
Ah,
online.
online. That was my initial one. But I think you will not, yung ba yung nakita ko naman nandun yung background niya nung anak niya, isasama mo ba yung anak mo doon? Hindi naman. And
Oo.
then, sabi ko nga rin, I really want a change. And kung hindi ko naman sabi ko wala naman sigurong masama na silipin ko, 'di ba? Kasi at the
Mm.
end of the day, I will be the one to decide. Kung sa akin 'to, sige. Kung hindi, at least nakita ko. Kung hindi, move on, look for another
Yeah.
one, 'di
Wala
ba?
namang mawawala, di ba?
Ang mawawala. So, yun ang ginawa
Oo.
ko. So, sabi ko, sige, i-check ko lang. Tapos naman nakausap ko siya. I sent her a message. So, nagkausap naman kami. So, and I know, as sabi ko nga din, nang pinasok ko to, talagang sinigurado ka rin. I have my hesitation una din para sa sarili ko. Kaya ko ba to? Pero talaga,
Mm.
my desire, yung talagang desire ko na talagang pagbabago, that's the one that really push me. Push
Mm.
me.
If we may ask, how long yung trabaho ng isang nurse sa isang araw or in a week? How is your week like?
Ang contract hours namin in a week is yung 37.5, 'di ba? So it means to say na prefer na naman namin mag-work ng long day. So from 7 o'clock in the morning to dapat 7:30. Pero most of the time hindi man ako nakakauwi ng 7:30. 8:00 na yan ng gabi, o 'di ba? And
Oo, overtime.
sometimes 3 times a week or depende yan din na kung ano. So,
Mm.
sabi ko nga, sa tagal ko nagtatrabaho, kilala mo rin ang sarili mo, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Not anything getting any younger, nasa 50s na ako. So, alam ko nung nag-reach ako ng age ng 45 ko, alam ko na nung iba na 'to, yung ang dali ng mapagod, sabi nga nila,
Mm.
kahit pa hindi mo iniisip na matanda ka na, but your body, 'di ba sinasabi nila, you have to look after your body kasi pagbabayaran mo din 'yan, 'di ba? 'Pag
Yeah.
inabuso mo din, kasi before I do loads of banks, but nowadays no, I don't do it anymore. Pero kung meron lang talagang ng mga emergency na, "O Lisa, okey lang ba? Are you free to work an extra kasi, walang in charge or walang senior?" Then I say yes. Pero not really na ano, kasi kaya nga sabi ko maghanap ako na that's something I can do at the comfort of our home na lang kung sakali.
Kasi maraming nurse dito sa Philippines, di ba? Yung gusto nila is where you are right now. Like,
Yes.
you're living in UK, di ba? Yung parang,
Hmm.
oh, wow, taga-UK yung nurse na yan, di ba? Pero, parang sa'yo is gusto mo siyang, ayaw mo na maging nurse, and mas gusto mong maging online business mentor.
Mel, maganda yan ang point mo. Actually, very good, Mel, na na-mention mo yan. Alam mo ba, Mel, we have loads of Filipino nurses, millennials, yeah? Mga bago sila. You know what I told them? And this is true, Mel. Mabuti
Mm.
na mo yun, Mel. I told them, if I vent, nagbe-vent ako, ignore me, sabi ko lang sa kanila. Kasi sabi ko, ako, yung pabalik na, kayo papunta pa lang.
Papunta pa lang.
But, I said,
Matanda na yata tayo, sinabi mo na yung quotation na yun. Papunta ka pa lang, pabalik na ako.
Oo, diba? Oo. Ako yung sa akin, that's mine, Mel. Pero ang sabi ko sa kanila, sinasabi ko, Mel, this is what I advise to them. What my advice to you is you need to save for your golden years. And if you can find as another side hustle, even if a traditional or an online, you look for it. Kasi, yun ang sabi ko sa kanila, Mel.
Good advice.
Sabi ko sa kanila, maybe my online business doesn't resonate with you, but try to. Because sabi ko, yung sahod natin, which is we know, sabi, you have to have a limit. Ako, nasa limit na ako ng sahod ko, di ba? Hindi na yan akyat.
Hindi na tataas.
Hindi ako na-promote. Get me? So yun na yun, stuck up na ako. And then, the whole yes, salary is high, pero ang cost of living naman, Mel, just could die. Kahapon lang, di ba, nag-usap kami ng mga katrabaho ko, mga ibang lahi din yun. And then they said they could really feel the hardship. Hindi lang naman din, Mel, dito all over talaga. Di ba? Talagang yung high standard of living is anywhere. Hindi lang sa Pilipinas, hindi lang dito, lahat. So, yun.
Yeah.
Yun ang advice.
Mataas ang tax, ano?
Yes. Oo. Mataas ang
tax.
So,
I think, I'm not sure if this is correct, but once I was in Germany, I talked to this one guy. Sabi niya yung tax nila is about 50%. Pero sa Germany yan.
Oo.
Pero I have a cousin na nagtatrabaho sa London. Ang sweldo niya per year is ang taas 200,000 something. Pero he's a cyber security guy. Tapos sabi niya ang laki naman ng tax ko.
Yes.
About 50%. So konti na lang natitira sa kanya.
Kasi naman, Mel, di ba kahit naman sa Pilipinas, nurses are always underpaid. And we need to be honest about that. Kahit naman dito. Yeah. Kahit dito din. We're all also.
Kahit yan din.
Oo. Kumbaga
it's just that comparing to Philippines, malaking sweldo dyan.
Yes. Pero compare din dito, yung sahod din namin, compare sa iba, mas mababa din. Maybe because ang dami namin, di ba? So the end could not, madami noon. Pero I think this is it. You get me? This is the system. Kahit sa Pilipinas, ganun din. Dito ganun.
Yeah.
Ganyan yata. Parang hindi compensated sa mga, you get me?
Sa lahat ng pagod.
Yes. We're dealing with the lives of people, right? So, but Anyway,
Yeah.
that's the reason why I said this is it. This is the one that will make me. Um,
And ano naman yung why you stick with this business? Parang ano yung nagsabi sa'yo na this is a real business, this is a legitimate business? How are you convinced na hindi to scam?
be- because I've seen Mel, I think, in the business that we had. I have
Mm.
seen loads of this one who have yung mga ordinaryong tao na successful na. And
Mm.
one example for me is my mentor. So my
Yeah.
mentor now,
Sinay?
Sinai, yes, Sinai. So she reached already. She had her own struggles. She hit whatever success she had now. It's obviously I bow to her because pinaghirapan din niya. And then nakita mo yung nakita mo yung talagang totoo. Kasi pinapakita naman. And meron pa din na sa mga group na namin that they started from zero scratch, but where are they now? So,
Yeah.
nasabi ko din to na our progress is different from others, but as long as we will not give
We
up.
can give up. Yeah.
So,
Each one has their own journey.
yes.
For those who will watch this, um, online business is not like get rich quick scheme, right? You have to really work hard for it.
Mm.
There's a lot of uh, trials that you will go through,
Yes.
challenges. Pero once you've overcome those,
Mm.
life is easy. I mean, we have seen so much. Yesterday, I was talking with Fatima,
Mm.
one of our business partners, and then I asked her, ba't hindi ka nag-give up? Kasi sabi niya, because the people don't know what I know. The
Mm.
people haven't seen what I've seen. Diba?
Yeah. I
Kaya,
think, totoo din naman, Mel. Sometimes as well kasi, lahat naman ng business, there's always an ups and down. And sometimes if you feel down, you give up already. I had that part as well. You get me sometimes nasabi ko, I feel overwhelmed sometimes or I feel down. But I have you, I have Mel, I have Fatima and the rest of our gang and then the
mm,
rest of my community. So they help. And then sabi nga din nila, Mel, yung walang magbabago sa buhay mo kung wala ka ring gagawin, 'di ba?
exactly. Nothing changes until
Yes.
nothing
So,
changes.
may kailangan kang gawin sa sarili mo. You have to take an action first before you will see the result. Kaya sabi ko nga din is kahit nga slow, it's okay. Kasi even as ito nga 'di ba? Nung una, 'di ba ito na nung una na we have to expose ourselves, hindi ako ano yan.
Yeah.
Pero ngayon, I'm getting comfortable. At the moment I'm getting comfortable because I'm the guest, but I don't know if I will be the host.
No, it's just the same.
Yeah.
So, dahil nabanggit mo yan, ano yung kakaiba dito sa business na to na iba siya sa other businesses? I'm sure you have tried other businesses before.
Mm, mm, mm.
Yeah.
Ang
Ano yung kakaiba?
ang kakaiba, the thing that I want in this is that yung global reach niya. Get mo?
Mhm.
Kasi I know that if I will just rely on my in here, there's none. At least this one, it can reach globally. And then,
Mm.
ito rin, Mel, yung flexibility na nagustuhan ko dito, na kahit
Mm.
saan ako pumunta, kahit nga nakabakasyon ako, may telepono na lang ako. And
Mm.
then, pwede ko itong magawa. And
Yeah.
at the same time din is yung yun na kahit nga 'di ba natutulog lang ako, pagtulog ko meron na akong notification that somebody have expressed interest. So yun yun ang really ang kagandahan doon, yung mentor natin, that yung community, support ng
Yeah.
community. Talagang naiba. And at the same time, Mel, yes, eto Mel, 'di ba, sabihin natin, sa anumang negosyo, you have to put out an investment. The investment is not big enough compare ng katulad niyan yung 'di ba, noon naisip ko rin, ano kaya kung mag-franchise, 'di ba? Pag sa Pilipinas,
Yeah.
mag-franchise. Let's say, McDonald Millions yun. Yung medyo affordable lang, let's say 7-Eleven. Okay?
Mm.
So, pero dapat meron ka munang lugar. Dapat yung
Mm.
napipiliin mo, that is something na marketable, yung malapit sa mga let's say school.
Malapit sa school, malapit sa market,
Oo.
malapit sa simbahan.
So, kung may lupa ka, yun Mel, kung may lupa ka, sarili mong lupa, good enough kasi wala kang renta. Di ba? Pero kung re-rentahan mo pa, so that's another expense. Right?
Yeah.
So, yan is yung mag-hire ka pa
Empleyado.
ng tao doon. Sisweldahin mo yun. Mag-inventory ka. And I think itong sinasabi ko rin, pag may negosyo ka, especially if it's traditional, dapat nakatuto ka doon. Kasi hindi mo pwedeng iasa yun. Kasi when it comes to money, mahirap.
Mahirap.
What I mean, yeah. At di ba, Mel? Kasi ganyan, yung mga hindi naman yung may cashier ka, then you need to make sure that yung pera talaga na yung benta mo, talagang yun ang benta mo, walang natatanggal at your back. So, diba? Yun ang yun ang sa akin, Mel, kasi we have been to the business before as well. Nung bata pa kami, nag-bakery kami. Piggery, okay lang yung piggery kasi si daddy ang nag-supervise nun, di ba? Okay lang yon. Pero yung bakery, nag-aaral pa kami noon, si daddy nag-teach. So may mga benta-benta, ganyan-ganyan. Pero na-account ba yon? You're not sure, right?
Yeah. Ang isang gusto ko naman dito sa digital business, yung global reach. Diba sabi mo halimbawa, meron kang 7-Eleven. Ang reach nun, yung community lang, di ba?
Yes.
Or siguro may dumaan na jeep, may bumaba, yun. Meron kang reach. Pero ito, yung online business, worldwide yung yung reach mo, di ba? Like ikaw, I have an accountability partner from UK, Fatima's from Denmark, Rona's from Texas, di ba? Tapos, Rona's from Michigan, Reyes from Michigan, di ba? So and I'm here in Philippines. So we know each other because of the online business.
Yes.
I just want to acknowledge Irene La Chica Yokosuka. She's my classmate. She's my classmate.
Hello, Irene.
High school.
Thank you for watching us.
Yeah, konnichiwa. She's in Japan right now. Hi, Irene.
Hope we have enlightened you.
Yeah. Tapos, 'di ba yung business, usually ikaw lang ang papasok. Pero syempre, makikita ka nung husband mo, si Harry. How do you manage that? Or is Harry on board with your online business?
Yes. I think one good thing, initially when I start, he was quite pero sigurado ka ba niyan? Pero I know Harry, you get me. Alam naman niya na hindi ko papasukin kung hindi ako sigurado na hindi ito totoo. And alam naman din niya na if what I'm doing this is for us. Siya, alam niya yon one time na it's for him and my family. Kasi one time na early in the morning, I received a phone call from my sister. Tapos hindi ko yan sinasabi kay Harry yan. Pero nung time na yun, na nakausap ko yung kakambal ko. And then sabi ko niya, you know what? Sabi niya, kayo ang dahilan kung bakit ito sinisimulan. And sabi ko, Pops, this is the first time that you will hear na hindi man ako nagsasabi. Pero yun. Kasi di ba marami nang nararamdaman. I want Harry to lessen her, yung hours niya kung as much as possible. So that is one of the short-term goal na lesson yun. And obviously, the end part is to retire. And sabi ko nga sa kanya, bilhan mo ako. Sabi ko, Pops, tumingin ka nga kung merong microphone. At tumitingin siya. So, hindi mo siya sa visible sa ganito kasi our page is Lisa and Harry. Hindi siya visible. I do the talking, but he is there at the back, supporting.
Siya yung backstage.
Yes. Nung sinabi ko yung
nice. Oo, that's nice. Kasi marami sa business natin, merong
Ah, yes.
skeptical husbands,
Mm.
yung
It
kumokontra na agad. Pero pagdating na ng mga checks, ay on board na sila.
Oo. Hindi kasi kaninang umaga, hindi kahapon pa, pini-pre-warn sabi ko, "Paps, yung morning kung gusto mong lumabas, lalabas tayo. This afternoon, I will be busy." Sabi ko, "I will be busy with the business." So, that's why he asked me, sabi niya, "Anong oras ka ba magsisimula?" Sabi ko, 2:00. O, di ba? Sa taas. Kasi siya ngayon nandun siya sa taas,
Ah,
nanonood. So,
nanonood siya. Meron siya me time.
mm.
Ano yung, was there a time na parang gusto mo na mag-give up? O yung na-test yung ano mo, perseverance, persistence, and patience mo. Was there a time na parang ayaw mo na gumawa nitong online business?
Yung yung konti lang, Mel, konti, sabi ko konti lang.
Konti lang.
Siguro, Mel, yung kung minsan na sabi niya, sabi ko, yung medyo slow progress, sabi nga. Pero, kung minsan, Mel, ito rin ang mana sa akin. So, sabi ko, ipagpatuloy ko ba? Wala pa naman pansan yan. Yung progress ko is ano. But, sabi ko naman, kung hindi ko naman ito ipagpapatuloy, may start ako, di ba? To be just, magtatrabaho ako until what, di ba? So sabi ko, no, sabi ko, I just look at my why. Inaano ko lang kung bakit ko to sinimulan, and I just move forward. So, and
Hmm.
I know as well, we have our own timeline. Sabi ko nga, we
Yeah.
have our own timeline. So, we just don't need to give up. Yun sabi. Naalala ko yung sinabi ng founder natin, we got this.
Yes. Tsaka, di ba yung one of the most successful entrepreneurs in our community is was a housekeeper.
Mhm.
Diba? And
Kaya,
now she's like, oh my gosh, you you cannot count the diamonds she's wearing on
yeah.
on her neck.
Mm.
Yeah, this business is something that's for everyone, for employees, most especially like Lisa's a nurse, I'm a chemist,
Mm.
and Fatima's a housekeeper.
Mm.
So a lot of different backgrounds.
Mm.
So in closing,
Mm.
kasi para hindi tayo mag-overtime, no? Ano yung advice mo para dun sa mga tao who wants to try online business?
Okay. Yes, so to our viewers, kung mapanood nyo man po ang aming ang replay na to, ang advice ko lang, alam po naman natin na we have our own struggles, especially ngayon sa hirap ng buhay ngayon. And I know as well na naghahanap kayo. Kung kami nga, sabi ko, kaming dalawa ni Mel is naghahanap din kami ng side hustle. And I know everybody is looking. Ang what I can advise is just be curious of what we're doing. So, and then have a look inside of what we're doing. So, what you can do is just really register your name and email address. The website of Sister Mel is in there. And then they will watch the free webinar. Libre naman po yon. So, at least you have an short idea kung ano ang aming ginagawa, and you go, because we can assure you 100%, we will not be talking in front of you na hindi naman po ito na alam namin po ang potential. So have a look, baka po ito rin ang hinahanap nyong negosyo. Kasi po pwede ito, it is a doable business. Nandito kaming lahat, kahit Hosimel ang mentor nyo, but we are here to support. The community is so supportive enough. And meron din po kaming yung system namin talaga is really proven na talagang kahit ano yung background nyo, kahit saan pa kayo, ang importante lang is my wifi at yung my phone. And yeah, and then who knows po, ito na yung ano, pag pinanood nyo to, ibig sabihin, God is giving you a sign just to have a look. and then decide kung para po sa inyo, you go, kung hindi man po, and then move forward, look for another one that you want to do as an side hustle. So that's on my part, Mel.
Oh, wow. That's very no, inspiring kasi marami sa atin yung parang you see us doing this online business and people will judge it and scroll away, right?
Mm-mm.
We encourage you to check it out,
Mm.
and maybe this is something that can really change your life because we
Mm.
have seen so many in the community that have been successful in this, and we're excited every day because we're moving closer to
Mm.
our big dreams as well.
Mm.
And so thank you, Lisa. That's a
Thank
super
you.
inspiring chat with you,
Thank
and
you.
we
I
hope
like it.
we hope that everyone feel fired up and feel like they can do amazing things like this business too. This business is something that I wish I have found like 7 years ago.
Mm.
Like this business is only 7 years.
Mm.
Only 7 years digital business, but we have helped tens and thousands of people
Mm.
all over the world. So that's, as Lisa said, doesn't matter what profession you are right now, or if you're a housewife, even
Mm.
whether you're a housekeeper or a caregiver, a chemist or a nurse, an attorney, this business is for everyone. And so if you feel this is for you, shoot me a message or shoot Lisa a message, and we'll be here to assist you. So I'll be your mentor, but we will have a coach and a community that supports each one, not in a competitive way. Like Lisa and I are separate business owners and we're not connected financially, but Lisa is helping me do my business. Like, example, technically, I don't know something,
Mm.
like,
Yes.
right, like
Mm.
how to make some post, like some, what do you call that, some technical details.
Yes.
We're here to help each other, not compete with each other, and this is something I love about this
Mm.
business. Other businesses will not share,
Mm.
right? Not share tips and tricks. But this business, we share and we help each other. So
Mm.
there you have it. Thank you for listening to us, and we hope you feel that this is something that you can look forward to. All right. Good night, everyone.
Bye bye. Thank you, Mel, for having me.
Thank you, Lisa.
Bye. Bye, everybody. Have a
Bye.
good day. Bye.